Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Code and Clarity. If you are preparing for placements in 2025, you have probably asked yourself this question: which platform should I use? LeetCode or GFT? Free Code Camp or Udemy? Do I need to spend money on Stellar or Coding Ninjas? And honestly, it's confusing because there are too many options. Some are free, some are paid, and every senior gives you a different recommendation. So, in today's video, I'll simplify everything for you. I'll share the best free and paid platforms for each part of the placement prep: DSA and coding rounds, development and projects, aptitude and reasoning, mock interviews, and HR preparation. By the end, you will know exactly which platform to use, how to balance free versus paid, and how to build a strategy that gets you placement ready in 2025. Let's go. Before diving into the list, let's first understand why the right platform matters. See, placements are not just about hard work, they are about smart work. If you are randomly solving questions on one site today and watching a random tutorial tomorrow, you will waste months without progress. But when you follow a structured program, you get a guided roadmap, problems that match company interview labels, and less time wasted searching for what to study next. So, think of platforms as your map. You still have to walk the journey, but the map ensures you don't get lost in it. Let's start with the most important section, that is DSA. If you are starting out or you don't want to invest money yet, here are the best free platforms. Number 1 is Gigs for Gigs or GFG. This is like the Bible of DSA. It has detailed explanations, tutorials, and coding problems. If you ever get stuck on a concept like binary trees or dynamic problem, chances are GFG has the clearest explanation to it. Next, move to LeetCode. This is the golden standard for interview style coding questions. If you are targeting product based companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, you cannot skip LeetCode. It also has weekly contests which are great for building speed. The next one is Interview Beat. If you are overwhelmed by random problem sets, Interview Beat is amazing. It gives you a structured roadmap where you solve problems in a sequence. Perfect for beginners who don't know where to start. Pro tip: don't use all three every day. Pick one main platform. For example, use LeetCode daily, and when you need extra explanations, refer to GFG. Use Interview Beat if you want a step-by-step roadmap. Now let's talk about the paid options for DSA. Should you spend money? The answer is depends on your learning style. Coding Ninjas, they offer structured courses in C++, Java, Python with proper doubt support. If you prefer a classroom-like approach, this is good. Next is Stellar Academy. This is much more advanced. Apart from DSA, they cover system design, mock interviews, and mentorship with the industry experts. Stellar is useful if you are targeting big tech or late stage prep. The next is the Algo Expert or the Coursera. These are premium resources. If you prefer video based explanations, Algo Expert is concise but paid. Coursera has specializations in algorithms from top universities. But remember, paid platforms are optional. Many toppers clear FAANG and top service based companies with just free resources. Paid courses help mainly if you want structured mentorship or if you find it hard to stay disciplined. Okay, so next is development. Because in 2025, companies don't just want you to solve DSA, they want proof that you can build real things. So, some free resources for development. Free Code Camp. It's one of the best free platforms to learn web development and full stack skills. The best part is you build actual projects as you learn. The next is YouTube. Channels like Code with Harry in Hindi, Net Ninja, or Traverse Media covers front-end, back-end, Monstack, all for free. And open source and GitHub. Contributing to open source projects not only boosts your skills but also looks great on your resume. Now some paid resources for development. One is Udemy. Honestly, Udemy is a hidden gem. For 400 to 500 INR during discounts, you can get complete React, Node, or Django courses that cover everything. The next is educative.io. It has interactive coding environments, no setup needed, just learn and code. The next is project based bootcamps. Some platforms offer live classes where you build 2 to 3 major projects. This is good if you want to showcase strong projects quickly. Now a tip, don't just watch tutorials. Whatever you learn, convert it into a project. Even a simple weather app or a to-do list app is worth putting project on GitHub. Projects are what make your resume stand out in case of placements. Now let's cover aptitude. Many students ignore this, but if you are targeting service-based companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, aptitude tests are the first filter. For free practice, you can practice from India Bix, which is a classic, simple, and consists of lots of aptitude and reasoning questions. You can also check Prepinsta blog. They post free content covering all major company exams. And for paid, you can check Prepinsta Prime, probably the most popular paid platform for aptitude plus company specific questions. You can also check Talent Sprint, another option that prepares you for company tests. Tip, even if you are preparing for product based roles, practicing aptitude helps sharpen your problem solving speed. Okay, technical skills are done, but what about interviews? This is where most students struggle. For free mock interviews, you can choose Pramp, which is an amazing platform where you can practice live mock interviews with peers around the world. And you can also check YouTube, tons of videos on common HR questions like tell me about yourself, strengths and weaknesses, etc. And for paid, you can check Interview Buddy, where you can book mock interviews with real industry mentors. And you can also check Interview Kickstart, more advanced and costly but very effective for top product companies. Remember, HR and communication skills matter. I have seen students fail despite strong DSA just because they couldn't express themselves and their thoughts clearly in interviews. Now here's the most important part, how to actually use these platforms. Don't make the mistake of signing up on 10 websites and then switching between them every week. That leads to confusion and burnout. Instead, follow this rule. Pick one DSA platform, maybe LeetCode or InterviewBit. Then pick one development resource, maybe FreeCodeCamp or Udemy or anything else. Pick one aptitude source like IndiaBix or Prepinsta. Do 1 or 2 mock interviews before placements. That's it. Master one platform at a time instead of trying to master them all. So let's summarize the roadmap. Use free resources first. If you need extra help or structure, invest in a paid course and focus on consistency and projects. If you stick to this, by the time placements arrive in 2025, you will be confident in DSA, strong in development, sharp in aptitude, and prepared for HR rounds. That's the complete package companies look for. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment with which platform you are currently using, and I'd love to reply with suggestions. And of course, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel because I have got more placement preparation content coming your way. See you in the next video.